Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash a copper bottle. Begin by rinsing your copper bottle with warm water to remove any loose debris. Then, add a few drops of mild dish soap and gently clean the interior and exterior using a soft sponge or bottle brush. Avoid abrasive scrubbers that could scratch the copper surface. Rinse it thoroughly again with clean water. For a deeper clean, especially inside, a natural solution works wonders. Mix 1 tablespoon of salt with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, then add this to about 1 cup of warm water. Pour this solution into your bottle, shake it well for about 30 seconds, and let it sit for 15 minutes. This helps remove any oxidation. Finally, rinse the bottle completely with fresh water. The outside of your copper bottle also needs attention to maintain its luster. You can create a simple paste using lemon juice and salt. Apply this paste to the exterior with a soft cloth, gently rubbing to remove any tarnish or spots. Once clean, rinse the outside under running water and dry it immediately with a soft, lint-free cloth to prevent water spots and restore its shine. To keep your copper bottle in excellent condition, consistent care is key. Wash your bottle regularly, ideally after each use to prevent buildup. Remember, copper bottles are not dishwasher safe, so always hand wash them. Store your bottle completely dry to avoid tarnishing. By following these simple steps, your copper bottle will remain clean and beautiful for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.